Hello, welcome to an introduction to Nokia Maps on your Nokia N95. Let's load up Nokia Maps. And here we are in New York City. As you can see by the 3 green lights, we've got a GPS lock. So all we have to do is hit the number 0 and the map will center to our GPS coordinates. Now let's zoom in, take a closer look at where we are, and now we're going to save our current position as a landmark. So we're going to hit Options, use this place, Save as landmark. I'm going to call this landmark Point A. Then you press OK, and then you categorize the landmark. I'm going to call it a geographical location. Now let's find a place by the address. So we'll select Options, Find Place, Address, and I'm going to enter an address. It's important to note that when you enter the city, you don't include the state. You either enter just the city name or the zip code. After you select the country, you select Options and Search. There it is. So we select Options, Show on Map. And there it is on our map. Now we're going to save it as a landmark, and we're going to call it Point B. And let's also call this a geographical location. Next, we're going to try and find something by the keyword search. So you select Options, Find Place, Keyword Search. Let's enter the word food. And it searches. It gives us some nearby establishments with food in the name. And if you select one, you can have it shown to you on the map. And here is Pax Wholesome Foods. So let's move down back to Point B. There we are. Now let's see if we can find a nearby museum. Options, Find Place, Nearby, and then we're going to scroll down to Sites. And let's scroll to Museums. Scroll down to the Museum of Television and Radio. Select that, Show on Map, and there it is on the map. And you can see other museums that are nearby as well. Finally, with any point on the map that's a landmark or a site, you can send it to someone. To do this, you would select Options, Use this place, Send. And you can send it in a multimedia message, Bluetooth, or a text message, or even email if you have that set up. Good thing to note is that if you send a place as a landmark file to someone via email, if the person you're sending it to checks their email on a device with Nokia Maps, they will be able to open the attachment and it will load right in Nokia Maps and show them exactly the place that you've sent to them. And there you have it, an introduction to Nokia Maps on your Nokia N95. Thanks for watching and drive safe.